Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, whatever it is, wherever you are. Welcome back to another video. We're going to be picking up some F8X M4 seats, and we are going to be installing them into the E92. Man, it's a windy day. Ever since I first got this car, I have honestly wanted to do the switch. I've wanted to do the retrofit. At first, I kind of thought it was a little bit difficult, but the more research that I did with it and the more that I spoke to my peers, I realized that it might not be as difficult as we thought. So one of my good friends, you guys may know him as Thousands on his YouTube channel and Instagram, I will put it right here. Please go ahead and give him a follow right now and subscribe to the channel. But one of my good friends ended up upgrading his seats that he bought, and he's doing his Beamer Invasion prep, and I was like, you know what? Now is going to be a good time for me to finish up my Beamer Invasion prep for West Palm. So I couldn't be more excited. We're going to go pick up the seats right now. And ironically, I had already picked up a seat prior, so we're going to pick up the second seat. And I want to reintroduce you guys to the channel because you guys haven't seen him in a while. For those of you who have been following for a while, my OGs, you guys know who he is. But if you guys are new to the channel, maybe this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, first and foremost, welcome. But I need you guys to meet Wang. He's incredibly smart. His M4 is absolutely gorgeous, and he's a really cool dude. So let's get on this journey and let's go pick up these seats and let's go see Wang. All right, so we just got to Wang's place, and you can literally see the M4 looks absolutely stunning. How is this car so clean? Oh my gosh, the fitment Wang did a good job, dude. Definitely did a good job. Especially for 19s, they fit really well. He's got his flag there too. With, let me see if I can get the texture there. If you look real close, you can see he's got the M logos as well on the inside. Oh man, this looks good, dude. Oh yeah, Wayne, good job, bro. I like the V2. I like the V2. I wonder what he's gonna do next. Comment down below what you think Wang should do next. Okay, so Wang pulled up on me by surprise when I was trying to edit my settings on my camera. But like I said before he got down here, bro, V2 looks completely different. It's same but different. But like, what kind of inspired you, brother, to go with like some of the stuff that you went with?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't have to go in the office anymore, so I can sort of turn the car into a track car without being ridiculous.
Yeah. Funny, fair enough. So, funny enough, Wang and I were on the phone yesterday and we were talking about rice. And I didn't know that rice actually stood for something. So Wang taught me something yesterday.
Race-inspired cosmetic enhancements.
Race-inspired cosmetic enhancements. So for all of you guys who just thought it was just a saying, like, no, it's actually more, it's more in depth than that.
I mean, obviously it leans more to like the Honda boys and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
But reality is rice is for everything. And it just leans more towards the JDM market because they do some wild ass shit sometimes. Like the Bozosoku guys, like what the like
That's
what
fair.
is half that shit, dude?
And AutoZone definitely did play its role in rice. You can't say that without saying AutoZone or throwing Advance in there too. But can we see the seats that you got ever so gracefully? Dang, I forgot about the steering wheel too. So real quick, like what are these exactly?
Recaro Sportster CS's.
Yeah.
And then they have the AMX custom upholstery done on them. So these are from, I believe he's in Poland, and he does great work. So it's a solid seat if you ever want custom seats.
So you got one a while ago, and then you opted in to get the second one,
yeah,
passenger side.
So I ordered it directly from him. He's a Recaro dealer, so
yeah.
He essentially gets stock from Recaro, and then I don't know if he gets them bare or what, but he, like, when you get the packaging from him, he has Recaro tape and Recaro's like authorized dealer tape on the box and everything. So I don't know like what his contract is with them, but I know getting everything else. It looks like it's unturned with fire.
So today, like you guys saw from the title and the thumbnail, these seats right here are no longer going to be a thing. We are finally going to be able to retrofit the F8X seats to the E90. And I couldn't be more happy. I couldn't be more excited to finally get these done. And with Beamer Invasion coming up literally this weekend, this is a perfect time to do it. Now, the way that the videos are going up, I may have the Invasion video up before this one. So this video is probably going to drop maybe a week after Invasion. But either way, it's still going to be a dope video. It's still going to be fun. I can't wait to get this install done. And the retrofitting, it shouldn't be too complicated. So I'm looking forward to that. But with all that being said, let's get back over to Alan's shop. So, just got here over to Alan's shop. And this is something that I kind of did off camera. I wanted to show you guys. But some more Invasion prep. I got these little side canards that came in that I ordered not too long ago. Got them sitting kind of nice. Let me know what you guys think. I was kind of on the fence about it, just because like in some cases it looks really nice and it looks really aggressive, and then in some cases to me like it kind of seems a little off. So I was kind of on the fence about it. But I 3M taped the sides. I didn't screw them in, so if I did want to take them out, it wouldn't be too much work to pull these things off. But it does look kind of nice depending on what type of lighting. Not only that, but this part right here, I ended up wrapping these ducts because I had ordered them in carbon, but they didn't come in time. And I had some spare wrap lying around. So I said, okay, well, I think that would kind of help with the symmetry. But comment down below what you guys think. I definitely think this car is kind of ready for Invasion now, but those seats are going to change it entirely, man. I'm super excited. Yo, yo, what's going on? You see the shirt? Oh! The man, the myth, the legend.
What's up?
What's going on? What you guys doing? Oh, yikes. What's going on, brother?
What's up, brother?
Well, I got the seats over here. They're kind of hidden. I'm looking forward to it. Ooh, boy. I can't wait, man. Today's going to be a good day. Today's going to be a good day. All right. So fast forwarding a little bit. We're going to go ahead and get these seats out. I got to move my little junk out the way. But it's a T-fitting to basically there's 4 bolts holding down each seat. And then obviously you have the wiring harness that's inside. So you just got to move the seat back a little bit, undo the 2 bolts in the front, and then move it forward and do the 2 bolts in the back. And that's basically it. So it shouldn't be too complicated to get these things out. Okay, so literally 5 minutes later, if that, we got the 4 bolts out. Time to see how dirty under my seat is. But yeah, it was a T45. 4 of them. Move the seat back. Did the 2 front. Pulled them out. Move the seat forward. Did the 2 rear. Pulled them out. Now we have the control module right here, and then we have basically just a wiring harness, and it's going to come right out. Simple as that. So I'm going to do the passenger side first, and then we'll do the driver's side, and we'll see how it goes. And just like that, real quick, I'm reminded that we're in Florida. Yo, it's hot today.
Fucking hot.
Of all days, Jesus. It's all good though. At least we're going to spend the rest of our days this weekend in West Palm. So I'm looking forward to that. So for those of you who can't tell, honestly, they very much do look identical. Side by side.
Side by side, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the E92 seat that we have. And this one right here is the F8X. So LCI, from what I understood, these control modules should be completely identical. It's the yellow part right here, which has to be repinned.
The yellow part, exactly.
Okay. So from the videos that you've seen, does this look like it's something that's going to be a headache, or did it look fairly
simple? Not too much. It's pretty simple, but it's going to be time consuming.
Time consuming.
It won't be something fast.
The repinning part.
The repinning part.
Okay. The repinning part is going to be time consuming. But we're going to do the passenger side first. That way, in case we mess up anything.
Exactly. we have to take possibilities.
Mm-hmm. And just be smart with what we got.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And as we learn, we will teach. As we learn, we will teach.
We will teach.
Okay, so you're in the process of repinning, and I don't want to mess up.
Bro, a lot of patience.
It's a lot of patience. So essentially, and correct me if I'm wrong, I don't want to distract you too much. This from the M4 seat will not fit to the chassis of the E90.
We need this one.
Correct. So we need to take the, what is this, a bracket harness?
That's the OEM bracket harness for the seat, basically.
Yeah.
And F-Series is not the same. The module is the same, but the plug is not.
Correct. So we need to repin everything from the new seat to the old bracket. Now, if you put them side by side, you can clearly see that there's a difference in size. So there are some things that will prove more time consuming than the other, but he already essentially depinned everything from the old bracket. So now he's going to depin
this one
to the new bracket, and then we're going to put the old bracket on the new seat. So supposedly the passenger side is more difficult and time consuming than the driver's side.
Because this one has more wires than the driver's side. Don't ask me why, it's the same seat. This one has more than the other.
Interesting. So with that being said, we're kind of starting off on a good note, doing the more difficult one first. That way, hopefully.
And the passenger one, so you don't get strained whatever happens.
Yeah. That way, hopefully, when we go back to the driver's side, it's not
too bad.
As difficult. Yeah. But we did have to change over the seatbelt buckle
because we're using the old plug. If we were using the F-Series plug, then we only have to change the seat, that's it. But since we're doing this plug uses inside this one. It runs on this one. It doesn't run on the F-Series one.
Right.
It won't fit, never. So we have to, that's why we have to pin, so we can use this plug.
Right.
And this plug. So we can do this.
Looks good. Got it.
Exactly.
Got it. So basically, if you guys are looking to do what I'm doing, and I don't care where you are, if you don't feel comfortable doing wiring or an install like this, take your ass all the way to St. Cloud.
It's not too far.
From wherever you are, and let Alan do it over here at NR Auto Works, because I feel very comfortable with the way that he's doing things, and it's very, very professional. Guy's doing his thing, man. I give it to you. I give it to you, man. I give it to you, man. Okay. All right, so big status update. Everything so far in the seats were good. We didn't try the heated function, but that's for another time. Right now, we're trying to basically get the lighting to work for the symbol right here. Although this says M4, I could easily get an M3 badge.
But it doesn't matter. I mean, basically M4s now have 2 doors. So
I like what you did there. That works.
Yeah, 2-door now.
What would the M4 be without the M3, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So right now we were told via other YouTubers that basically you get the power for that light by just any 12 volt that you can essentially find. So now they were essentially explaining that we should just tap into a lighting by the footwell module. So this is basically what we're doing right now, is just trying to tap into this right here. Once we do that, we'll see if we get some lighting. So look at that, man. We got that in there, boy.
Do the flex of the light.
We got that. Go ahead. Turn them on.
Do the flex.
Come on now. And we got the power for the lights going on too. Yep. The passenger seat is in. Super excited. Eventually I will swap out that the emblem for like an M3 or something like that, but I'm not really worried about that. We're gonna go to the driver's side We got Blue over there doing his inspection. And once the driver's side goes in, we are good to go, man. But Alan's doing a great job, man. We're killing it. Okay, so the final verdict. What do you think? Scale of difficulty?
Still like a 4 or 3.
Really?
Because of the carrying the fucking seat out, all that. But wiring part, we got it.
Okay, so we could easily say that if anybody wanted to bring them here.
Yes, we can.
Okay, what do you think the turnaround time would be? If they drop it off Monday?
By Wednesday, Thursday, at most, if I don't have more work, because I'm not going to leave 2 seats that maybe I have a work that has been a week there. But
yeah. But for the most part, it can be done. All right, open the door. Let's see it.
The flex, you know. Oh, even the light on the M4 works.
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
The flex.
Oh, yeah, and they work.
The other flex.
Yep.
The other flex.
The back part works, too. Yeah, it's pretty dark, but you can see it. Everything works. Like I said, we just got to check the heating, but I ain't doing that junk yet. It's 91 degrees outside, so we are not going to check the heated seats. But they look gorgeous. And just like Alan said, they look like they fit like this car perfect.
They go there, basically.
Yeah.
They go there.
Yeah.
I don't know why the fuck 12 and 11 was like that.
Hey, man. I mean, considering like what they had from 2005.
Definitely not an MC.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
Damn.
I will say the F80, they did definitely step their game up a lot.
On the F series, bro, they went all in.
Yeah. But I mean, this car is coming along so nicely.
Little by little.
We have the CarPlay, the upgraded steering wheel with the shift lights, better seats, a lot of carbon on the inside. You got the tune, got the exhaust. Like, this car is... Why even get an F80 at this point?
Why?
Yeah.
You have the perfect daily.
Yeah, I'm falling in love with this thing more and more, man. But thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you guys for staying along in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something as well. Basically, what I learned is that Alan is the man. If you guys need anything done, go to NAR Auto Works. I will put their Instagram right here like I always do. Give them a call, give them a DM, and whatever you guys need to do, whatever you guys need to get done, get it done. But that basically sums it up for this car, for Beamer Invasion. So I can't wait to get down there and meet a lot of you guys, talk to a lot of you guys, and I want to get your opinion on the car too. So I'm pretty excited for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, check out Alan's Instagram page and stop by their shop. Please do. These guys are lifesavers, man. And they have helped me transform both, actually all 3 of our cars. The 240, the E36, and the E92. They've helped us transform this car in such a good way in such a short amount of time. I could not be more gracious and thankful for them. And we're going to bring the Red E36 M3 over here next. So more to come with that.
That's going to be a fun project.
It is. It is going to be fun. So like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.